What's up, guys? This video is on the origins of modern human research ethics, IRBs, and the Nuremberg Code. I just had class on IRB review types yesterday, but what is much more interesting are the three topics that I just mentioned. So IRB stands for Institutional Review Board, and a definition from the FDA website is IRBs are groups that have been formally designated to review and monitor biomedical research involving human subjects. IRBs have the authority to approve research, disapprove research, and require researchers to revise their study. IRBs are specific to the US. Other countries have similar ethical review committees under different names. IRBs and other ethical review committees share the same goal, which is to ensure the rights and welfare of human research participants. Now, onto the Nuremberg Code. The Nuremberg Code was established as a result of one of the trials in the Nuremberg trials. The Nuremberg trials were held to prosecute top leaders of Nazi Germany for crimes committed during World War II. These trials took place from 1945 to 1946. The Nuremberg Code was established in 1947 and is meant to ensure the rights and welfare of human research participants, just like IRBs and other ethical review committees. The Nuremberg Code is generally regarded as the first set of formal guidelines to establish ethical regulations in research involving humans. It consists of 10 points or principles. Some key points include the voluntary informed consent of the human research participant is essential. Research must avoid unnecessary suffering. The risk of the research must be justified by the potential benefits of it. And research participants can withdraw at any time. The Nuremberg Code was created and established in response to awful experiments conducted by German physicians on thousands of prisoners during World War II. The principles of the Nuremberg Code were obviously not followed in these experiments. The experiments were oftentimes painful and deadly. Some examples of the types of experiments conducted include high-altitude experiments. These experiments were conducted to determine the maximum altitude crews of damaged aircrafts could parachute to safety from. Quote-unquote freezing experiments were conducted on prisoners. German scientists were looking to find an effective treatment for hypothermia. Sterilization experiments were also conducted on prisoners. German scientists tested a number of sterilization methods in an effort to develop an efficient and inexpensive procedure for mass sterilization. I thought that was a very dark and morbid topic to end on, so I'm going to include a positive fact to end on instead. In the US, the number of IRBs has increased substantially since the 90s. The number of IRBs in the US in 1995 was 491, and the number of IRBs in 2008 was 3,853. According to a 2009 study on PubMed, IRBs reviewed over 250,000 research applications in a year around 2009. So as you can tell, the impact of IRBs is vast in the US. And that's it for now on the origins of modern human research ethics and IRBs. The sources for all the information in this video will be in the description of the YouTube video that I will post. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.